So I just got this HODO docking station. It has 8 different ports. I really love it. It's pretty small and sleek. And is much less expensive than, the $300 ones that you have to pay with for Dell. This you could fit in your pocket pretty much. It's smaller than a phone. They have many different options for how many ports you want. I got the 8 one. It has 3 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and 3 HDMI cables. And as well as I think that's a printer cable. It lets me have my 2 screens as well as my webcam plugged in. I could also put my charger for my phone. It connects to the computer via USB-C as well. And really, again, has been nice and small, doesn't take up much space, and has been working quite well. So I'm really happy to have it.